type means during or for. Un mois means a month. Okay, that was quite hard because it wasn't so obvious. In France, they tend to all have about 4 weeks off during summer. Even mums and dads tend to have like a 3 to 4 week block off in summer, and they all go on holiday and have a separate holiday home. That can be scary. Right, number 4. What else is she doing while she's staying at home? Emily. Well done. So you can just put have I done the restaurant, which is to work in the restaurant of her stepdad, or you could just put un petit boulot, which is a job. Okay? Right. Number 5, Kelson, not everything else. Kelson, les vacances idéales. What would their ideal holidays be? Okay. Tasha. Natalie, sorry.
Camp.
Well done. Okay, on camp. The back on. Excellent. Okay, that's all you need for that one. If you want to put more, if you want to put more, you put 34 in the country they call France. Okay, so
What was that?
Okay. Excellent. Right. Have a look at Julian. If you've not already done it, we're going to Julian now. Right. Julian.
Say bye.